Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Sunil Engineering Academy. This is Bharat and we are seeing biology series of lectures. Today in this video we are going to see excretory system. What is excretion? Removal of nitrogenous materials or waste materials formed during metabolism from the body of human friends. Normally, excretion means the release of nitrogenous excretory substances like urea, ammonia, uric acid, etc. out of our body. If we look into these substances, we can divide into ammonia, urea, uric acid. Whereas ammonia is highly toxic, released by fishes, frog tadpole larvae, and urea is medium toxic, and these urea is the major content in the human excretory system, that is mammals, amphibians, cartilage and fishes. In cartilage fishes like shark and torpedo, this urea is the main content in their excretory system. And if we come to uric acid, it is low toxic in nature. These are released by birds and reptiles, friends. In human excretory system, the main excretory organ of our body is kidney, friends. We have two or one pair of kidney, friends. The other excretory organs are lungs, which excrete CO2, liver, which excretes urea, skin, which excretes sweat, and large intestines, this excretes undigested food material, friends. Okay, in our body, human excretory system has many excretory organs. As I have said, lungs, liver, skin, large intestines, etc. But the main excretory organ which is very useful and vital in our body is kidneys, friends. The main excretory organ in human and other mammals is a pair of kidneys. Its weight is very less of 140 grams, but it does a very great work. We are going to see the two parts of it are: outer part it is called cortex and the inner part is called medulla. Don't confuse with medulla oblongata, which is in the brain. This is inner part of the kidney, friends. Each kidney is made up of millions of ducts called nephrons. Nephrons, friends. And structural nephrons is the structural and functional unit of kidneys. So, a building block of kidney is nephron, friends. And we are going to see this nephron. There is a cup-like structure in every nephron called Bowman's capsule, and other parts of nephrons are glomerulus, Bowman's capsule, and Henle loop. We will see in the diagram, friends. See, this is kidney and this is nephron, friends. Here you can see a sac shaped capsule. Yes, friends, we can see here a cup like structure in every nephron. This is the building block of kidney, friends. Kidney has number of nephrons like this, millions and millions of nephrons. And in this, here you can see a cup like structure. This is called, this is in the shape of bow, and this is called Bowman's capsule, friends. Bowman's capsule. Okay, friends. And within this Bowman's capsule there is glomerulus. There is glomerulus, friends, and through this Bowman's capsule there are some loop-like structures here we can see, and these are called Henle's loop, friends. Henle's loop. Okay, friends. So there are three parts which are mainly recognizable in nephron, that is glomerulus which is inside the Bowman's capsule, and Bowman's capsule itself, and the loop which it is called Henle's loop, friends. Okay, and what are the functions of these parts? If we see, the first filtration takes place at glomerulus, called filtration, friends. Within the Bowman's capsule there is glomerulus, and this glomerulus first filters, and what we can say first level of filtration happens, and this is called ultrafiltration. And as well as Bowman's capsule also take parts in the filtration, and in Henle's loop selective reabsorption of materials takes place, friends. Selective reabsorption of materials takes place in Henle's loop, whereas ultrafiltration takes place in the glomerulus, which is important, friends, potential to get in your exam. Now we will see what are the functions of kidneys. Kidneys play a vital role in our body, and some of the functions of kidneys are: it maintains the water balance in our body, and also salt balance in our body. It removes waste materials, nitrogenous waste materials, and maintains and control blood pressure in the arteries, friends. The main function of kidneys are blood filtration. What do you mean by blood filtration, friends? See, blood is filtered by two organs in our body. One is lungs, the other is kidneys, friends. What does the lungs do? See, friends, in blood we know that there are red blood cells, white blood cells, plasma, and blood platelets. Four components. In lungs, RBC carries CO2 is replaced with the oxygen. So RBC plays a vital role, or RBC exchanges its gases in the lungs, friends. Whereas this plasma in the blood is purified in the kidneys, friends. So blood here, if we take, blood has four components. One is RBC. So RBC pertains to lungs, friends. Lungs. Whereas RBC has CO2, which is replaced by this lungs. Lungs replaces CO2 with O2, friends. With O2. Whereas blood has also plasma. Blood has also plasma, friends. This plasma, what does it? It collects the waste materials from each cell, friends. Wherever there is a metabolism happening in each cell or each molecule, each organ, from that organic substance or each cell, this waste materials is collected from by the blood plasma, and these are excreted in the kidney, friends. So blood filtration pertains to purification of blood plasma which has nitrogenous waste substances. So kidneys also produce erythropoietin. This stimulates RBC production in bone marrow. So you should remember, erythropoietin is the which is responsible to produce RBC in bone marrow is produced by kidneys. See friends, RBC is not produced in kidneys. RBC are produced in the bone marrow, but to stimulate the production, erythroprotein is required. Erythroprotein is indeed produced by kidneys, so no need to confuse. And here it comes friends, two kidneys produce 1.5 liters of urine per day in an average friends. And also these two kidneys filters almost 190 liters of blood per day. 190 liters of blood per day. So if these kidneys fail, we have to go for artificial filtration using dialysis machine friends, which this dialysis machine purifies the blood. It mimics the function of kidney friends, and this is called hemodialysis. Hemodialysis friends. And urine is yellow in color due to urochrome pigment friends. You can see here urine is yellow in color due to urochrome pigment. Urochrome is pertains to yellow color friends. Okay, so chemicals as stones, we see that kidneys are affected by kidney stones friends. What are these kidney stones? We will see that these are nothing but uric acid crystals or sodium oxalate crystals or calcium oxalate crystals friends. I will come again. The stones in the kidney are produced by uric acid crystals, sodium oxalate crystals or calcium oxalate crystals. Urine is acidic in nature friends, and the pH value is 6. In normal urine there is 95% of water, 2% of salt, 2.7% of urea and 0.3% of uric acid. So mostly in human, urea is present friends when compared to uric acid. So the other, what is diuretics? The chemicals or materials which promote more urine are called diuretics friends. Usually if we take salts, if we take alcohol, tea, coffee in more quantity, we will excrete more and more urine friends to balance the salt to balance the salt balance in our body. Our kidneys produces more and more urine, and these materials are called diuretics friends. Okay, so if you need this PDF, you can download from the below link which has given. So you can go to that link, and there is a payment gateway, and it is very easy easy process where you can purchase with the very minimum amount friends. So I have covered mostly cell, digestive system, nervous system, circulatory system, human blood, respiratory system, skeletal system, excretory system friends. So there are still more topics to be completed: endocrine system, diseases in human body, classification of plantae, and remaining topics I have already completed. These are completed friends, so I have left with only 3 topics friends. So in addition to this, I am going to I am also going to complete reproductive system, animal classification, and these 2 topics are left out, and these 2 topics will be made by me, and also PDF will be available for free friends. Okay, don't forget to download our PDF. Thank you. Bye bye.